Today's question is from New London, Wisconsin, and it's the following. If a parent put his kid's name on the deed of his house, should he carry the insurance, or does it have to be in the name of the children? My dad deeded the house to my brother and I. He was checking into the price of the house insurance, and his agent said that the insurance had to be in the kid's name, and he had to have renter's insurance. So, good question here. In general, I would talk to your agent and see what the policy says. But the name on the title, the deed, whoever currently owns the home is likely the person who needs to be the named insured. If your dad remains on the title, it's possible he could be named as insured as well. But if it's just you two children on the home, then it's likely that you're going to need to be the named insured, because if something happens such as a fire, you are the actual legal owners who would need to be made whole from the insurance company. So I would double check this with the agent, but in general, for my other listeners watching, this is why I warn against transferring a home during life to your children. It can have other legal implications once the title's in their name, and suddenly managing the property isn't the same as when you owned it yourself. For this reason, I like to use trust planning to pass a home to the children, so that you can remain living there and the trust can be the named insured on the insurance policy during your life. Then after you're gone, the trust can remain the insured until your children sell the home or transfer it to one of them, or whatever you say is to happen in the trust. You always want your insurance policy on the home to match the actual legal title, the deed saying who actually owns the home, because in the event you have a fire or something terrible, you want to make sure you're able to recover against that policy. So great question, and thank you for asking.